Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. I have looked through the internet, gone through user feedback, real-world installation experiences, and expert comparisons to understand whether this is actually worth investing in or if it is overkill for most drivers. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight here is the 4-channel recording system. Unlike typical dual dash cams that only cover the front and rear, the N5S adds side and cabin coverage, creating a full 360-degree recording environment. In real-world use, this is especially valuable for rideshare drivers, taxi operators, or anyone who wants complete protection against incidents inside and outside the vehicle. The extra interior camera also helps capture cabin activity clearly, which can be useful for safety and dispute resolution. Video quality is another major strength. The system uses a combination of 2.7K front recording along with multiple 1080p and 1440p feed for the other cameras, powered by STARVIS 2 night vision technology. In practical terms, this means better clarity in low light and nighttime conditions, where many dash cams typically struggle. Users often report that license plates, road signs, and interior details remain readable even in dim environments, which is exactly what you want in an evidence-focused device. One of the standout features is the 24/7 buffered parking mode. This allows the camera to continuously monitor your vehicle even when it's turned off, recording short clips when motion or impact is detected. In real-world scenarios, this is extremely useful for hit-and-run incidents or parking lot damage, as it ensures you still have footage even if you're not inside the vehicle at the time. The buffered aspect also means it captures moments just before and after an event, giving more context than standard motion-triggered recording. The inclusion of built-in Wi-Fi and voice control adds convenience to everyday use. Through the app, users can quickly view, download, and manage footage without needing to remove the memory card. Voice control is especially useful while driving, allowing hands-free operation for key commands, which helps improve safety and usability. Dual GPS support further enhances the system by providing accurate location and speed data, which can be crucial for insurance claims or legal situations. Storage flexibility is another strong point. The system supports up to 1 terabyte of storage, which is important given the large amount of footage generated by 4 simultaneous camera feeds. In real-world use, lower capacity dash cams often overwrite footage quickly, but this setup allows for much longer recording cycles before older data is replaced. Installation is where things become a bit more complex. Because this is a multi-channel system, setting it up takes more time compared to a standard dash cam. Routing cables for front, rear, and interior cameras requires careful placement, and users generally recommend taking your time during installation to ensure clean wiring and optimal camera positioning. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The biggest one is complexity. This is not a plug-and-play dash cam for casual users. It is more suited for people who genuinely need full coverage and are willing to deal with a more involved setup process. It also comes at a higher price point compared to simpler dual-channel systems. So after looking through everything available online and real-world user feedback, would I recommend the Vantrue N5S? Yes, especially for drivers who want maximum protection, rideshare professionals, fleet users, or anyone who values complete 360-degree vehicle coverage with strong night vision and parking surveillance. However, if you only need basic front and rear recording for everyday commuting, this level of complexity and coverage may be more than necessary. So my final verdict is this. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam is a premium multi-camera safety system that combines full vehicle coverage, advanced STARVIS 2 night vision, 24/7 buffered parking protection, dual GPS tracking, and high storage capacity, making it one of the most comprehensive dashcam solutions for serious drivers who want total peace of mind on the road.